Greetings, everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to guide you through the process of crafting cohesive characters using Leonardo AI. First things first, fire up your preferred browser and navigate to the Leonardo AI website. After reaching there, you'll be prompted to create an account by providing your email address and setting up a password. Alternatively, you can log in using your Google, Microsoft, or Apple accounts. Once you've completed this step, you'll be greeted with the dashboard, which is where the magic happens. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen and locate the Image Generation option. Click on it, and a world of possibilities will unfold before you. Within this section, you'll find various tools at your disposal, including the AI image generation and prompt input. Here's where your creativity comes into play. Instead of merely inputting a single keyword or phrase, think of it as painting a vivid picture for Leonardo AI. For instance, I recently asked Leonardo AI to conjure an image of a young girl accompanied by her faithful dog, engaging in a natural and joyful activity like walking, playing, or sitting. But wait, there's more. You can fine-tune your request by adding negative prompts to filter out elements you don't wish to see in the results. Perhaps you only want one dog, or you prefer to exclude certain animals altogether. Be as specific as you'd like. Once you've refined your request to perfection, hit the Generate AI button, and behold the results before your eyes. Now, let's dive deeper into customization. Suppose you've received an image that's almost perfect but could use a few tweaks. Fear not, for Leonardo AI has your back. Navigate to the Image-to-Image feature, a recent addition to the platform. Upload the image you previously downloaded, and watch as new possibilities unfold. For example, you might decide to swap the lush greenery for majestic mountains and a serene river. Simply input your desired changes, click Generate AI, and voila! Witness the transformation in real time. But why stop there? Feel free to experiment further by adding or removing prompts to tailor the image to your exact specifications. Let's say you want the girl in the image to be sitting instead of standing, gazing at the scenic vista before her. With a few keystrokes and clicks, you can make it happen. The power is in your hands. Once you're satisfied with the outcome, it's time to download your masterpiece or continue refining it until it's just right. Whether you're adding, deleting, or modifying prompts, the process remains intuitive and straightforward. And there you have it, an effortless way to create consistent characters and imagery using Leonardo AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy creating.